Good morning, second standard students. How are you all doing? Yes, I'm sure you all are fine and you all are ready to start the lesson, English lesson today. We will be seeing the first lesson in the Samachir book. If you don't have the book, don't worry, I will send you the link, okay, where you can open and view the online textbook. Okay, you can make use of it for reading practice. I want all of you to practice reading every day, all which is very, very important. Okay, children? And we are going to begin with the first lesson from your Samachir English textbook. And the name of the lesson is Fun with Music. Yes, that is why there is a drum symbol here, drum picture here. Drum makes music, is it not? It is a musical instrument. இது ஒரு இசைக்கருவி, drum. Musicனா இசை. Fun with musicனா என்னமா? Funனா to have a nice jolly time. நமக்கு எது நிம்மதியை தருதோ, எது ஜாலியாக இருக்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுதோ அதை ஃபன்னுன்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ ஃபன் வித் மியூசிக்னா மியூசிக்கை வச்சு எப்படி ஃபன் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன். ஓகே, we will proceed with the lesson. Page number 47, heading Fun with Music. Okay, what is it, Valli? Can you see a girl and a goat? Yes, the name of this girl is Valli. What is her name? Valli. And she has a goat. What is it, Valli? Who is asking this question? The goat is asking this question to Valli. What is it? என்ன அங்கே அப்படி கேட்குது. ஓகேவா? She says, it is my violin. I play on it. So she has a violin in her hand, which is a musical instrument. And she says, I play on it. நான் அதை வாசிப்பேன். Have named the pictures. Is it not? There are 3 pictures in the first page. What are they? What is the first picture? Yes, it is a drum. What is the second picture? It is a clock. And what is the third picture? It is a frog. So let us name them. The first picture is a drum, a musical instrument. What is the spelling of drum? D-R-U-M, drum. The second picture is a clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. What is the third picture? It's a frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Drum, clock, frog. Out of these, only the drum has something to do with music. It is a musical instrument. Okay? You see the apples? Yes. You have the matching. It is very, very easy. You can do it very easily. All of you can do this when you get your textbook. What is the matching? They have given the apples on one side and number names on the other side. You have to simply match them. How are you going to match them? How many apples are here? Only 1. Okay? What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Am I right? You have read all this in your previous class. He is recapping for you. How many apples are here? 1, 2. So you have to match with T-W-O, 2. How many apples here? 1, 2 and 3. So match it with T-H-R-E-E, 3. There goes the matching. So this you will be doing in your textbook when you receive it. Got it? Yes. Next is you have to trace. What are you going to trace? You are going to trace 5, F-I-V-E, 5 on the 4 line given in the textbook. Okay? See, can you see the 4 line? F-I-V-E, 5. You have to write and practice in your notebook and in the textbook also. Okay, that is all about page number 47 of the first lesson. Now you can turn to the second page. Look and say. Okay, so what are the pictures in the page? There is a guitar, there is a drum, light, curtain, tabla and a stage. These are present in that particular picture. And the other side also there are many musical instruments. What are they? You have a mic, a violin, trumpet, shakers, veena, flute and a screen. Okay? Now I will show you one by one. Listen. Speaker. Can you see? The black thing over here is the speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Then you can see the guitar. Can you see the guitar? G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. The beautiful blue hangings, the cloth, that is the curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N. Curtain. Then here comes the drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. Then what is next? There is a stage. On the stage only the drum is present and guitar and speaker is on the side. There is also a light. Can you see a light? Yes. That will give light to the entire stage. Now can you see the tabla? T-A-B-L-A. It is the tabla. On the other side you can see a mic. M-I-K-E, mic. Then you have a violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. And this is a flute. Veena. Screen again. Curtain is different from screen. Screen is used to pull down and pull up the stage. There is a light here again. And what is a veena? This is a veena. Can you see? This is a veena and there is a speaker here also in the corner. And these are called shakers. Okay. This is a trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. So these are the various musical instruments in this page. Okay. Each one will create one particular sound. Okay. I hope you all would have seen this. Now what next? We are going to read a poem. Next page you have a poem. Let us sing. What is the poem about? 5 little bells. Money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 மணிகள். There are 5 bells ma. We are going to read a poem about the 5 bells. Okay. This page I will read out and also I will show you in the textbook. Okay. 5 little bells hanging in a row. How are they hanging? They are hanging in a single row. This is called a row. The first one said, ring me slow. What does it mean? Enna mollama adinga, ring pannunga. The second one said, ring me fast. Enna vegama adinga nu solludhu, second bell. The third one said, ring me soft. Enna romba meduva adinga nu solludhu. Soft ana romba mriduva, romba meduva. The fourth one said, ring me loud. Enna sattama adinga nu solludhu, fourth one. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once. Ring us together all at once. Enga ellarayum sethu onna mani adinga nu solludhu, fifth bell. Nice song, no? Shall we sing together again? Follow your textbook. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. The second one said, ring me fast. The third one said, ring me soft. The fourth one said, ring me loud. And the fifth one said, ring us together all at once. Now, I will repeat once again with the textbook. You can follow. 5 little bells. 5 little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. The second one said, ring me fast. The third one said, ring me soft. The fourth one said, ring me loud. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once. So this is a row. These are the 5 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one wants to ring slow. The second one wants to ring fast. The third one says, ring me soft. And the fourth one says ring me loud. But what the fifth one wants us to do? It wants us to ring together all at once. சேர்த்து மணி அடிங்கன்னு சொல்லுது எல்லாரையுமே. Nice poem, right? Please practice this poem. Sing and send me in WhatsApp. Let me see how many of you are going to do. Sing and send me this poem in WhatsApp as a voice note. That is your homework, okay? So with this, today's video session is over, children. Let us meet again in another session. Till then, take care. Bye.